Welcome to this tutorial on how to find app memory usage on Windows 11. If you're a Windows 11 user, you may have noticed that certain applications can be memory hogs, causing your computer to slow down or even freeze. In this video, we will show you how to use the Task Manager in Windows 11 to identify which applications are consuming the most memory, allowing you to close them down and free up some much-needed space. With our easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be able to monitor your app memory usage and keep your computer running smoothly. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. One of the best methods of determining the amount of RAM an app uses is via Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager from the menu that appears. Choose the Processes tab on the left. Select the memory header at the top to sort apps by RAM usage. Find the app using the most amount of memory. If it's causing problems, right-click the app and select the End Task option. You can also close other apps using high amounts of RAM. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. We appreciate your support.